Hey guys, check it out. It is Friday, the day before Hot Import Night. I haven't even started detailing my car, which is pretty bad because that takes all day. Luckily the seats are in, and I'm also dealing with a lot of other things like moving this weekend. So it's like a crazy busy weekend. I got today off, it's Friday, and then I got Monday off to just like, it's gonna be crazy. Hey Maggie, don't you worry, I'll be right back. You just wait for my microfiber towels to be done, okay? Hey guys, it's like it's Thursday, tomorrow's Friday, and then Hot Import Nights, so it's grinding time, and I finally got these seats in. Finally, bolted in, had to custom fab everything, but it's bolted in, it's secure, it's safe. We are changing all of the bolts. These ugly bolts for some nice dress-up bolts. Car is still dirty. Oh, what? Boom. There they are. So I'm just shooting this video actually after I washed the car. It's hot. Had a little bit of cloud cover, but sun came back out. Water spots, good thing we're doing a full detail. So I gotta bring it in. Using this Mother's California Gold clay kit. Should be pretty good. I'm also drinking Jamaica. If you're Mexican, you know what Jamaica is. It's life. So if you're not Mexican, it's pretty much hibiscus. It's like a flower. Yeah. Let's do it. Alright, in we go. What do you guys think? Finally got them both in. Got the belts on. Sliders are on. Everything is bolted in. That was not a fun thing to do because I'm not gonna mention any names, but it was supposed to fit, but it didn't. So custom fab. It's all in now. So all right. So the fact that these seats are in, it's actually a really huge like thing for me, because ever since I got into into cars because of a couple reasons. One reason, Fast and Furious. First movie sucked me in. I mean, that's what I wanted to do. I just really like the fact that you can just customize something and make it not be the same as somebody else. It's just the fact that, you know, it's kind of like a canvas. You can just do whatever you want to it. Is kind of awesome. So that's one. Another reason I got into cars is because of Need for Speed Underground for the GameCube. That's when I first had it. Anyways, it's because of Fast and Furious and Need for Speeds that I got into just the whole car culture. But those are two reasons I got into cars and stuff. So I always wanted to have seats that weren't the OEM seats, and on my first car, post a picture of it. On my first car, I put the thing that everybody does. I put one of those I put what you call seat covers. You guys are familiar with these seat covers. Oh, this is a huge hole. Woo! Anyways, I put those seat covers in there, and I thought I was the bee's knees with those seats. Actually, a picture of my car will show you just how ricey my car was. In my defense, that car had an SR20 DE non-turbo. It was a completely rebuilt engine and had Brian Crower stage 2 camshaft, so it was lopey as could be. And I love that car. That car was just rare. You didn't see that every day. It was just an awesome little car. And then I went even more rice after that. Oh, actually, not only did it have the carbon fiber, not carbon fiber, I'm getting to that. Not only did it have the stage 2 Brian Crower, I can't say that guy's name, Brian Crower. Not only did it have the stage 2 camshafts that he made for the SR20, which is just insane. They're just so awesome. And the lopey sound, I would like to cam this thing for the heck of it. But not only did it have that, it had a header and not the greatest exhaust in the back, but it sounded okay. It was a Magna Flow, just like a muffler. Everything else is pretty much stock. I went rice more. I wanted that carbon fiber look, couldn't afford it at the time, so I did right when 3M started doing carbon fiber like hood vinyl, and I did that myself, and it looked great like the first day. A couple days later it started bubbling, because obviously I didn't do it right. But managed to save money at a job that I had, and managed to get managed to get a IVS. Is that what it's called? Managed to get a carbon fiber hood made for the NX2000 that I had, and I think it cost around $600. And then after shipping, it was like $800. I think I waited 6 months for that thing to get to my house, because they had to make it, then ship it. And of course, I was broke, so I chose the slowest possible way for it to get to my place.
2,000 years later.
Some unmarked truck showed up, and I was so happy when it showed up. And after a couple phone calls to confirm that it was indeed coming. And I remember just how lightweight it was. It was insane. It was just picked up my steel hood from my Nissan, and picked up that thing, and it was just awesome. It was a reverse cowl carbon fiber hood from, is it really IVS? there. It was the best thing ever. I was so stoked about that thing. And you know, Nissans have this like old smell. That was 1993, so it's got this like interesting old smell that, you know, like you've carried oil in there and you've done a whole bunch of stuff to that car. But man, that engine was sweet. SR20 all the way. Anyways, I had that hood on for maybe 2 months, until one fateful morning when yours truly rear freaking ended a minivan, and just, it was never the same. Yeah, that happened. So sad. I wanted to hold on to the car and, you know, fix it. It just never happened. I'm not terribly excited about my new move. I mean, I'm glad to have my own space, and I'm glad that my friends let me stay at their house with a garage that I can use whenever I wanted. For like a while. They're not kicking us out. It's just, you know, everyone needs, I feel like they've done so much already, and I'm grateful for that. And I have another coworker who's gonna let me rent his house. It's got no garage, but I'll figure something out, you know. Like, I'm glad that it's got a little house for me to rent for a little bit, see how long we stay there. And it's gonna be good, you know. Over winter things are gonna get kind of slow with this car. I'm trying to see if I can pick up a daily for the winter time, because this won't be fun during the winter, never is. On the wrong side of the road. Song always gets to me. Oh man, this is awesome. I should take every like Wednesday off.